What's going on YouTube? It's your boy SRT920. Back with another video. We got I already opened it. I got the Wickerbill. Weird as shit how it came in, honestly. I thought it would be a little bit more sturdy. This feels like some hard ass plastic. And this looks flimsy. I'm assuming this is the right. It must be something like that, but I guess we'll see. I'll line it up and everything. I got my diffuser in. I haven't opened that yet. Alright, so I had to run to Home Depot. I couldn't, because there's a certain bit that this Wickerbill setup needed. I couldn't find it anywhere, and I was getting so pissed off. I found it at Home Depot, but they didn't have the size, so it pissed me off. Sorry for swearing. So I needed a 2564. Couldn't find this thing anywhere. Like, honestly, I had to go to Harbor Freight to actually find this, and I was trying to ask the dude who worked there. I don't even know why the man works there. He goes, oh, I don't know. Bro, old head like that should know what the hell they're doing. And then I bought a riveter kit to help keep the shit inside the Wickerbill. So you guys are gonna watch me struggle because the video I was watching that was on a Challenger. So, and there's a Chrysler. I mean, obviously, can't be that big of a difference. I don't know why there's cardboard on it. I don't know if it's like a 3M or something, or if that's what's supposed to. I don't know. It's weird as shit. But I'm assuming you gotta get to line up. That don't look right. Am I tripping? Yeah, it's gotta be the way. That is the way. I mean, so it does look a little more aggressive. I won't lie with this. I'm gonna put some masking tape, help hold that in place, figure this out. My phone's gonna die, so it's on the charger. So sorry for the bad camera angle right now. Dude, I look so big, bro. I'm just kidding. So I was getting so pissed off. I'm not gonna lie. I was getting so pissed off. The tape kept ripping on me. I couldn't hold it in place. If you have a second person to help you with this, I recommend it. Quit licking me, weirdo. But anyway, so far, I wish I could let the phone charge a little bit more, but so far I got it in place. I'm gonna mark my holes where I think is gonna be good. I haven't even looked at the, of course, it's wrapped in the cardboard, so I'm gonna have to take this apart. All right, back at it again. So I wanted to bring you guys a satisfying part. Look at this stuff. I'm all in a mood because Rihanna got me going. How'd it go? Sexy, yeah. Looking at, but yeah, look how satisfying that is. ASMR looking at. But yeah, I'm gonna get this off. I was about to pause you right there. I'm gonna get this off. I need to fix this camera. I don't like how I gotta keep squatting. There, how about that? There we go. There we go. That's good. But I marked my holes, taking this off. I got these nice little look, imagine if we were at a what do you want to call it? A rave. Boy, if you don't. My wife got me these. I guess it kind of works out. It worked out good marking the holes to make sure I was pointing around at it and everything. But yeah, so those are marked. I'm gonna remove that, drill my holes. I'll record the process of me drilling the hole. But that's all I'm doing, and then I'm just gonna like, whatever. You guys will get the gist. So since I'm by myself, I am not gonna actually record this process. But as you can see, I'm just leaving it in place. I didn't even have to mark it. I don't even know why I did, but I'm just drilling my holes as I go. I think one. Oh, sorry for the fan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 holes I gotta drill. So what I'm doing is I'm drilling with the, what is this, 5/16? Let me double check with my kit here. I can't remember. Oh, an 1/8. What the hell? I don't know how I got 5/16. A 1/8, and then I have to pre-drill with bigger holes. This is just to prep it. Do the little holes first, and then we're gonna do the big holes. I think it's a 25/16 64. Yeah, I said that in the video. Well, beforehand. Use the 2564, pre-drill those, make the holes nice and big. And then we could use this thing, get that installed. And then we'll move on to the diffuser after. So, honestly, I do like the way this is looking though, just based off this little bit. To make my ass look thicker than a snicker. But yeah, that'll be that. I'm not gonna show you me drilling the hole, but I'll try and record me doing the rivets of whatever. I'm trying to jam out to my music and I want to get this done because it's getting late. I got work in the AM, so. Where did I put my riveter? Riveter. Oh. This is it. So you screw this on. Boom, 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 boom.
Hell yeah, brother.
So I was a little worried at first because I didn't know what the hell I was doing. So anyway, try to do this with Holden. Oh, snug fit. So I got it in there nice. And I gotta hold it flush. Oh, it's a two-hand thing. I can't record this, dude. There we go. Boy's struggling. And it's gonna pop out, it's gonna sit flush in there. And this thing right here, you just gotta unthread it and it pops out. I don't wanna mess anything up, so that's all I'm gonna show. It's so hard without a cameraman. It's hard to do this stuff without a cameraman, so pardon me. I'm doing this. It should only take me a little bit and then I can get on it. Wife's calling.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Here's the finished product. This is a guy off eBay, so a little bummed out they shorted me a goddamn bolt in the cushion pin or whatever you want to call it. So I'm short one. I might just go to a hardware store and try and find something to replace that, but yeah, it looks good. Solid. I like it. Line's pretty good on it too. Both sides. Actually, this side, they could have moved over a little bit. It's a little bit this way, but it's not terrible. Too bad to notice, but now beyond the diffuser, which is right here. I gotta unravel it and see what it's looking like.
A few moments later.
Whoever the shipper was on this did an excellent job. I was wrapping bubble wrap, this, and the plastic wrap. I feel like with this, it'll also, with this diffuser, it'll also look a little bit more aggressive because it actually has the lip up here and everything, and these look bigger than those actually now that I'm looking at it. Yeah, those are definitely bigger, so. But I like how this lip comes out. I can't point, but this lip right here, how it just follows the whole thing around so it sticks out a little bit. It's not rounded like how this is. So that's honestly pretty solid. I like that. And I like how much bigger these fins are. I'm not gonna record the process. I'm just gonna do an after because it's just clips right in and everything. So the only reason I'm really replacing this is because I cracked it right here. It's coming off, and yeah, I'm gonna have to get the lights out of here and replace this bad boy. I have a feeling it's gonna look a lot better. And also, I do plan on putting, like, I'm gonna figure something out, but get some red strips on the back right here. Look nice. Maybe even with this, do like a red trim on the Wickerbill. That look pretty sick, black and red. That's the whole thing with this car, so it'll look pretty sick. I know for the new subscribers and everything, you weren't interested in my other videos. I know that, but I'm gonna show you this how ghetto this is,
Brother,
Yeah, pretty bad. God damn it, I keep feeling the fan. Sorry, I'm sweating up in here. Yep, that is it. And then I had 3M sitting on here to hold this diffuser on. Here it is. The diffuser looks a lot better. I wish I would have ordered this one in the first place because these lights that I had, literally just, it was like a perfect fit. The other one I had to like cut a hole in just to make it fit, but I even put push pins in here. Still kind of coming out just a little bit, but it's not that big of a deal, I guess. Same with this side. I don't know why the fitment's just not the best, but I gotta put 2 push pins on this side as well. Got the Wickerbill finally installed. Hopefully I can find something for this because I don't like how that's incomplete. What? Stalker, dude. But no, yep. Wickerbill, diffuser installed. Next thing coming is my cat head with the 300. You guys don't know what it's gonna look like, but I think it will give this car a lot more character. I like how I'm doing more of the black and red accents on here, so that's gonna be a surprise. I got my light up emblem coming. You guys will be seeing that here pretty soon, but yeah, so far so good. I won't lie, I was getting frustrated with that fitment on the corner there because it was just, I can't make it like OEM factory look. Like that sticks out a little bit, but it bugs the my OCD's kicking in. I was trying to figure it out, but it took too long. Hoping this Wickerbill holds up pretty good. It seems pretty sturdy. Yeah, nice and snug. I just need that one bolt and then be all good. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll be revealing the wrap. I told you what it is, but you don't know what it's gonna look like, so it's gonna give it more character. But yep, like I said, new emblem, new wrap coming, and then I believe that will be everything, and I can start doing performance stuff on this bad boy. Trying to push that jailbreak or demon horsepower. Got the slicks. That's another video will be coming soon. Yes, sir. Catch you in the next one.